Hey fellow woodcutters, I just got this new DeWalt GRABO. Got it on Amazon. I got a few ideas with it. It's primarily a vacuum pump used for picking things up, heavy things and holding them. Show you what we got. This is a non-battery mode. Extra handle, instruction manual, protective case. Grab a battery. Turns it on. Right there, battery's low. That's good to know because you don't want something to drop on you. This turns the vacuum on. This releases it. And this changes settings. So that's bars. And that's PSI or negative PSI. You drop it on there. Turn it on. Plywood, negative 2 PSI. Warning that I'm losing vacuum. Turn it off. Then to release, there's a little safety here, which is nice, and then push. All right, let's see where we could use this thing. So I changed the battery out. This is a walnut end table I'm working on. So we could pick this up. That's the battery right there. Put it down on there. Pretty well finished. Negative 3 PSI. Green saying it holds well. You can see how well it'll pick that table up. Turn it off. There's the safety. Push that in and release it. Pretty easy. Pretty cool. Here's a quick little stool. Grab that. Might have a break right there. You can see it won't hold pressure. Got to get it all the way on there. Now it's on there. Negative 4 PSI. And release it. What I really want to do with this thing is build it into a tabletop and use it as a hold down for carving and working on stuff. But that'll be another video. So this is a DeWalt 20V grabber, 4 amp hour battery on it. I think I'm going to find this a million places. Protect my back a little bit, safer holding. Straps, you could tie straps onto it here too for carrying stuff. See, it works on a lot of different surfaces.